The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say something very quick and fast to my viewers and subscribers before I show this video. Alright, now there's a video that is out on social media that shows of a police officer trying to make an arrest and a citizen is resisting arrest. Now, according to what has been said on social media and in the video, it would seem as if the person, which is the citizen, is being accused of being a conductor, acting as a conductor while don't have the necessary paperwork. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, because some things have been said on social media about this video as well, and you can also tell me what you think. Who is wrong? Is it the police officer or is it the citizen? Alright? Now, please bear in mind that this video I'm going to show you contains some scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And I'm going to show you the video right about now. You can take a look at it and we'll talk about it a little more after this. Alright? Observe.
Big man, let go, mommy. Hey. Bully. Let go, mommy, dad. Leave me, bully. Leave me. Leave me, bully. Big man, leave me. Leave me, bully. Leave me now. Leave me. Leave me. You want to do that? Big man. Big man, let me do what you want to do. Big man, let go, my son, Papa. Let go, my son.
Don't tell her I don't have a doctor for money. I'm going to call the people and money. Don't tell them I don't have a doctor on the bus.
Let go for me.
Don't tell her already. I don't have a doctor for my money. I'm going to call the people and money.
Big man, let go for me.
Don't tell her already. I don't have a doctor on the bus.
Alright. Let go for me, let go. Big man, let go for me.
Don't tell them already. I don't have a doctor on the bus. Don't tell them already. Don't tell them already. Me drive and call it my bus.
Big man, let go for me.
Me drive and call it my bus. Don't tell him I'm the doctor. Tell him already say I'm collect the bus. I'm show him the money say I'm collect the bus. That's my youth. If after that man say yeah me have a license, that the man tell him. And then the 3 months he go for business so he want to fight off the man. You me? The man don't tell him already say I'm a doctor. The man tell him. Yeah, man. Don't tell me I collect the bus. I'm sure I see the money. I'm collect it. Don't tell him already say I have a doctor on the bus. Just take out the man and start with that. I want to tell him already say I collect the bus. I'm sure the money say see that I collect the bus. Don't tell him already. Don't tell him. Let's step away. Let's step away. No way. Beat up the man. Beat up the man. Where you can't make me move, though. Talk to your man. Beat up the man. I hear the police work. Beat up the man. Take out the man off my bus and I beat up the man. You never see the man at Calico Beach. I have beat up the man.
And stop resisting the police, sir.
Yeah, come on, man.
Stop resisting the police.
I don't say I'm watch him when I go jump down on him now, because that's sick man. Watch him when I go jump down on him.
Come on, there, man. You need to calm yourself down. Hear me, I say, date it. Make him lock you. Date it. Let me make him lock you. Put on the cuff for him. Police, put on the cuff for him. Because we can't tell you this. We don't have nothing at all to charge man for. Date it. Lord, make them lock you up.
Lord, I'm going to block you. Them not for charge you. Because first, if you don't tell me this, you come here and go to the Lord, make you block you up for that. Lord, make you block you up. Lord, make you block you up. Because I'm not for charge. Stand and cuff for the man. I'm going to block you up. The last time I tell the man to bed, they lock you up. Go, make them lock you up. And the man here, spin over. And the man still here. Come on, belly now. You never want to cuff for the man now. You never want to cuff for the police. Come on, tell man belly now. I'm on the police. I see man don't back like that. I see man get but man come out the way. I see man come out and man see man and still stand up in that man belly. And still stand up in that man belly. And the man go there and cuff on the man.
So there you have it, viewers and subscribers, a video that shows of the citizen resisting arrest, and it is said that the citizen is being accused of acting as a conductor while operating a bus without the necessary paperwork as a conductor. Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, you know, I'm going to say this out there. I mean, I know that sometimes it hurts, you see me, and many times I've said this before in the past, you know, and I've got a lot of persons that disagree with what I said. But however, I find it to be easier if you just comply with the law. If you resist arrest and then the charges, which is the accusation and so forth, that are being said against you have been proven to be wrong, the resisting arrest is still going to be there as a problem. You get me? So therefore, that's the reason why I'm saying it's best to just avoid, you know, trying to resist the whole arrest thing. It's a big problem. You know what I mean? Yes, it hurts, and yes, it's going to let you feel a certain way. But however, I find it to be easier. You know what I mean? And yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is just my opinion. If you think that I'm wrong about what I said, you can let me know what you think. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. They have to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.